Hello everyone, let's start with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So today we'll be solving I think 30th problem, 13th problem. So problem name is Chef and Next Generation, Next Gen. So Chef is currently working at for a secret research group called NextGen, while the rest of the world is still in search of a way to utilize helium-3 as a fuel. NextGen scientists have been able to achieve two major milestones. So first one is finding a way to make a nuclear reactor that will be able to utilize helium-3 as a fuel. Second milestone they have reached is that obtaining every bit of helium-3 from the moon surface. So moving forward, the project requires some government funding for completion, which comes under one condition: to prove its worth. The project should power Sheffield by generating at least a unit of power each year for the next B years. Okay, I'll tell you what it is saying. It's actually a lengthy question, so I'll summarize. Let me read out first. So help chef determine whether the group will get funded, assuming that the moon has X grams of helium and 1 gram of helium can provide Y units of power. Okay, so basically what they're saying is there is chef and next generation. There is a scientist team, so they have found helium. They have found X gram of helium from the moon surface, and 1 gram of helium produces Y unit of power. So if you multiply 2, which is basically, let's say 2 gram of helium can produce 2 Y units of power, 2 star Y units of power. 3 gram of helium will produce 3 star Y units of power. So in the same way, X gram of helium will produce X star Y units of power. And for this team, I mean scientists, whatever next gen group they have, so they will be funded only if a units of power has to be utilized in chef land. Like in chef land there has to be a units of power will be utilized each year, and for the next B years this power has to be there. So basically let's say in 1 year a unit of power will be utilized. In 2 years 2 star a units of power will be utilized. In B years B star basically B star A, which is basically A star B, you can say. So those unit of power will be utilized. So if their project can be like provide A units of power for the next B years, basically X star Y, if you do, this is an unit of power generated by the helium-3, and like this X star Y, the power what it is generating has to be greater than equals to A star B, because the minimum requirement of power in the chef land is A star B. So if that is the case, X star Y greater than equals to A star B, then they'll be funded, or else the group will not be funded. So I think you got pretty much what is the problem statement. Let's try to code it up as well. Look some of the examples they've given. So here it is saying first line of input contains an integer t, the number of test cases. The description of test cases follows. So first we'll have to take care of test cases. Int t, say int t, while t minus 1. So we are taking care of all the test cases here, and each test case contains a single line of input containing 4 space separated integers a, b, x and y respectively. So yeah, let's take for variables a, b, x, y. So we'll take input into these variables x, y. So we have got this. Before solving, let's try to understand like some of the examples as well. See, they have given 4 test cases, and a value is 1, b value is 2, x value is 3, y value is 4 here in this case. So if you multiply a star b, which is basically 1 into 2, which is 2, and if you multiply x star y, which is basically 3 star 4, which is 12. So if you see x star y is greater than a star b, which is 12 is greater than 2. So in this case we'll have to return yes. If you see this example, a star is basically 12, x star y is basically 2. So a star b is greater than or equal to, in this case, x star y. Basically x star y is less than a star b. So you said like x star y is basically a number of unit power generated by helium 3. So the power generated is insufficient to power up the chef land, which requires a star b unit of power. So in this case we'll have to return no. So I think you got, like, basically x star y is less than, in this case, a star b, so we'll have to return no. If you see this example, 18 into 2 is basically 36, 9 into 4 is also 36. So here if you see x star y is greater than equals to a star b, just to we'll have to return yes. If you see this one, 49 into 2 is 98, 100 into 1 is basically 100. So 98 is less than I mean yeah, 99 is less than 100. So in this case we'll have to return no. So it is a very simple example only. So you'll have to do it like, if a star b, it is the power required for the chef land, is less than or equals to power generated by the helium x or y. If it is power generated is greater than required, so in this case we'll have to return yes. Else power is generated is less than the required, so in this case we'll have to output it as no. Let's try to run the code. So yeah, we got yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. It was easy problem only. So basically you'll have to find here a star b is the required unit of power, and x star y is the generated unit of power by the helium 3. So the generated has to be greater than a star required. So in that case there will be the group will be funded by the government, or else they will not be funded. So if they are funded, we will have to return yes. If they are not, we will have to return no. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you guys. And in the coming videos, or like, I'll be solving in the board. So I have the in room board, but I'm not attached to the wall, so that I'm not shooting there. So once I do it there, attach the board to the wall, so I'll shoot there, and then I can explain it properly. Yeah, thank you.